on a downtime you can do that. And this is how you're going to go through the entire cooling tray. Hey guys, Charlie here again with another video, and this is a customer asking how to clean your cooling tray the proper way. I'm going to show you today, and 9 times out of 10 you probably got your toolkit and you didn't really go through it. So in your toolkit, when you buy a unit, you get something that looks like this and a handle. So I'm going to show you, this is what they call the cooling tray cleaner. So it's very easy to put on, and it rolls in the little holes on the cooling tray. So we're going to go back out there. I'll show you how it's done, and then I'm going to show you how you can take off the clean out door from the cooling tray, and you can use like a 9-inch horsehair brush to be able to go around underneath and have the unit fan sucking the debris out. And let's go back there. I'm going to show you how to clean it. Okay, so we're out here today, and I'm going to continue with the cooling tray clean out. Remember what I showed you just a second ago. So this is the tool that you're going to need, and I have already removed the clean out to be able to give you more of a close-up on how it works. So if you notice, you got to go line by line. Now this can be very tedious. Just run it up and down. But what it does is that it gives it a thorough cleaning, because if you just push air through it, some of this stuff might just not come out. So if you notice, you can follow it whichever way direction you want. You know, on a downtime you can do that. And this is how you're going to go through the entire cooling tray. For example, if I were to put this down right here. So take your time, and if you notice there's some residue right here, so if you blow it, it might not come out. But if we run this, see, it pushed it down. Here's another one. Let me try again. Get it perfectly lined up, and that's how it falls. Now the debris that falls down here, you can easily have it removed by turning on the cooling fan on first. See, cooling fan's on. You grab a brush. I decided to cut it off because you probably can't hear me. Well, you grab the 9-inch hair brush that I was talking to you guys about, and you can push your hand in under and you start cleaning either sides. Now the cool thing with a P3 series is that the cooling tray, I believe, moves, but the P series 2 doesn't move. So drive all the debris into the fan, and now I'm going to turn it back on again, so it might get a little loud like that. And now you're clean, putting all the dirt in there. That'll take care of that. After that is done, you can put your clean out door back on. So that's how you clean the cooling tray. This is a very crucial piece to have. Every unit that is purchased from us has it. If you don't have one, I'll be more than happy to help you guys and sell you a clean out tool for your cooling tray. So again, thanks for tuning in, and till next time.